Today we're going to be reviewing Chanel Espadrilles, and I'm going to let you know if they are worth the price. This is an espadrille, as I told you guys. This is lambskin. It's a very delicate material, which means if you scratch it, obviously it's going to get scratched, but what I'm trying to say is that it's more delicate than other materials. It's very, very soft. It has the white and black iconic Chanel colors, and then it has a CC with gold studs at the very top. I believe these are Swarovski. Then at the very bottom, it has a woven material. By the way, if you buy Chanel Espadrilles, don't wear them on a rainy day because they are going to get messed up. This material is sensitive to water. And then at the very bottom, they have a rubber sole, and it has the CC mark. They are made in Spain, and ironically, Spain, that's where they wear most of the espadrilles. Although the shoes are made out of lambskin and they are sensitive, I have to tell you that it actually feels good. They don't feel cheap, and that's something I really like. Also, these shoes, you can dress them up or dress them down. For example, it could be something casual during the day, or if you want to wear them at night. If you're a Chanel fan and you want to rock out Chanel, then these shoes are for you. So the shoes do come in a Chanel box, and they have the two little packs where you can put each of the shoe. Now, what I don't like about the shoes, and I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys, these parts right here where the stitching is, they're super tight on your foot. Let me just tell you that they are super uncomfortable. They never stretch, and they are so tight on my foot. It turns my foot purple. I'm looking into other tricks that I'll share with you guys to actually stretch them a little bit more, but I think that maybe this specific style that has the laminated lambskin, if you get something that's different, maybe a softer material, then I think you can get away with the espadrilles, but these never stretched. And yes, they are shoes that you can dress up or you can dress them down, but the goal is for you to be able to wear the shoe for more than 5 minutes, so it actually defeats the purpose. And let me just tell you, Chanel has beautiful, beautiful shoes. Some of them are super, super comfortable, but I think it was just this pair. Maybe if you have more narrow feet, your feet are not chunky. I have chunky feet. You can get away with wearing the shoes. Also, you do have to wear socks, not regular white socks, but the ones that are catered for ballet flats. You can get away with those, and that's what I wear them with. These shoes are worth a pretty penny. I didn't get them here in the States. I got them in another country, and let me just tell you that when I tried them on at the store, I thought they were very tight, and I thought that I could break into them and that they could become shoes that I can wear most of the time. Overall, I do recommend you buy Chanel shoes. Like I said, they have beautiful designs. Just try them on at the store. Usually those shoes, when they are at the counter, people have tried them on, they're stretched. So if you try them on and they look worn and they're still tight, I think that's a red flag. And don't collect red flags. So I hope that you love this video. Thank you so much, guys. My shoe videos are doing amazing. I am so happy that people love shoes just like I do, and I hope I can bring you guys more videos. Please leave me a comment, share this video with somebody, and I am very grateful that you have subscribed. We're almost at 12,000 subscribers, so thank you for that. You guys are awesome, and I will see you next time.